Hello everyone, I'm Jane Dolor of Mama Roma Domus. I have bed and breakfast here in Rome, closer to Termini, 12 minutes by foot. And then Colosseum po, we have only 12 minutes by foot din ang Colosseum. We are at the center. We are closer to Saint Mary Major, kung saan nakalibing si Pope Francis, and Saint John Lateran, kung saan nandun yung 12 apostles. We have pharmacy here, supermarket, nandito rin yung mga restaurants, and then mga cheaper po yung mga restaurants dito at saka yung mga bilihin dito regarding, despite dun sa iba naming mga places, like kung pupunta ka ng Spanish Steps, you pay the location talaga. So if for those who wants to book with us, contact Jane Dolor, Mama Domus, o si Ma'am Richel lang Malta. She is connecting with me. Pwede kayo mag-book sa kanya or mag-inquire and we are happy to assist you. If you want to avail discounts, good price, direct booking lang po ang gagawin nyo para sa akin. Ibibigay nyo lang po sa akin yung date, month, and ilan kayo para mabigyan ko kayo ng good price at saka lahat ng informations na gusto nyo malaman. Salamat po! Bye!